Okay, hi everyone. Okay, today I want you to organize all your learning logs into one folder. Okay, in future you will do this for all your music stuff. So now I'm at a browser, or if you're on your iPad, you open Google Drive, the app. Okay, I'm already logged in. It will help if you are logged in as well. Okay, if you're not, you can log in now. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to create a new folder. So on the left here, I click New. Okay, click Folder. And then I'm going to name it. This naming is important. Okay, please put your full name, underscore, your register number, underscore class, and then you're going to underscore again and put music. Then you click create. After this is created, you click on it. Within this, you're going to create different folders for different modules. So now we're going through the keyboard module. So I want you to click New, you click Folder. Since it's already within your own folder, you can put keyboard module. Okay, so you can click Create. So within this keyboard module, now you're going to move all your files. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to find. Okay, for you, you may have very few documents, but look at mine. I have so many documents. Okay, so in future yours may become like this. So what are you going to do? You just click Search in Drive. And remember the last time I named my file according to name, register number, class. Okay, after a while you see it already appears. Then learning log 1. So I click on it. It will open. Okay, and then I'm going to move it. So I press File. Make sure this is the one that is filled up, the one that you submitted. And then you're going to move it. So here you click Move. Move to where? So obviously I want to move it to my folder, which I just created, and into the keyboard module. And then I click Move here. Okay, and then ta-da! You go back to that folder just now, and it will be there. And then I want you to do this for all your learning logs. So this is learning log 1, then you have learning log 2, 3, and so on. You will have more in future. Whatever videos in future as well that I get you to record of yourself playing or anything like that, I want you to put it into this folder. Okay, I think this is quite clear. Please make sure you do this so that all your things are in one place. When I see you back in school, it's easy to access. Okay, thank you.